Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Chevrolet Cruze LT. It comes equipped with a 1.4 liter turbo engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium heated seats, powered sunroof, Bluetooth connectivity, OnStar navigation, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with lots of extra paneling and storage in the bottom next to your speakers. That's coming up here with the power locks, mirrors, and windows. Moving on to the seat, you're going to have these jet black cloth bucket seats, both heated, very comfortable. Left side here, you have your vents and your lighting control. And left side of the steering wheel, you'll have cruise control. With the right side, voice recognition and odometer control. And with the odometer control, you can pretty much access quite a bit of vehicle information, including your info for fuel economy, your gauges, tire pressure, as well as you have audio, Bluetooth connectivity, your OnStar nav, and as well as other settings. It's going to be push to start. You're going to have dual zone climate control here with your heated seats, and onto the infotainment system, like I said, Bluetooth connectivity with OnStar navigation, as well as you can access My Chevrolet, and as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Down below, USB port next to a 12 volt, some extra storage with a cup holder and shifter, as well as park assist, integrated, and traction control, and the center console with more storage as well. Passenger side's manually adjustable, same jet black finish. Bose speaker sound system going across, Bose speakers up top. And here you can access your reading lamps and your OnStar and your SOS, as well as your powered sunroof. So you're gonna have these 18-inch alloy wheels on assurance tires with the paint match mirror caps and paint match keyless entry door handle. You're gonna have the rear spoiler, tinted windows as well. It's the back with black exhaust port. To the back, you're gonna have a splitter for that extra storage if you need, as well as seats are foldable, extra lamps in the back, and down below, extra rear wheel storage as well. It's a very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear interior, you're gonna have storage on the bottom next to the speakers with the power windows and the chrome handle. Hop in the back, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger seat. You're gonna have rear USB port on the bottom, cup holder and armrest. Obviously you got the splitter, lamp up top, and hooks on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2018 Chevrolet Cruze LT. Comes equipped with a 1.4 liter turbo engine, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, OnStar navigation, power sliding sunroof, rear spoiler, heated bucket seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.